What is up guys, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. Another new super wallpaper is here, which is actually really interesting. You can see this mountain super wallpaper and it's looking like this on the lock screen. Just open your device and you'll see this little bit of animation. But what is the main thing about this wallpaper? What is the main advantage of using this wallpaper? What about the main highlights of using this wallpaper? This wallpaper is actually changed according to your time. Yes, right now it's 10:37 p.m. so a night, and the wallpaper seems to be like in a night view. And if you apply this wallpaper in a morning time, and you will see a little bit of new kind of animation here, new view here, morning kind of look here. This wallpaper seems to be really nice. You should definitely give it a try. How to apply this wallpaper on any of your device or your Xiaomi device? Let's get started. All these three APK files, I'll provide a link in the description. The first one is package installer, which is needed to install this MIUI Alpha Launcher update. If you install this one from here, you'll see can't install system applications from the unofficial channels. I have a video on this one too, so you can go and check it out if it is not working for you. You just need to install this one package installer first of all. Then you'll need to install this from this latest package installer called wallpaper. You'll see this pop up here. Do you want to install an update to this built-in application? The existing data will not be lost. Just click on install and it seems to be done. After installing this, you need to install the super wallpaper snow mountain, which you can install from anywhere. I'm going to install this from this package manager. I already have installed this one, so I'm not going to install this ahead of you. So as you see, these are the things you need. And after installation, how you will be able to apply? First of all, you need to install this wallpaper from here, and after that, to apply this live wallpaper here, how to do that? So after installing that, all those APKs which were required to do this operation, after that you need to install an app called Quick Shortcut Maker from the Google Play Store. I'll provide a link in the description for this file, this app which you can download directly. Just click on install, and this app may be around only 1 MB, and as you can see, it's done, it's installing. After installing, click on open and you will see this option. This app was built for an older version and something like this. Click on OK. Don't worry about anything. Here you will see some things, and here we need to open the live wallpapers option. Wait, let me show you. This one is live wallpaper picker. Just click this one. We need to open the first one, which is called live wallpaper picker. Just open. You'll see these kind of options. Click on try, and here you will see all the super wallpapers which are installed on a device, and at last you will see this Chinese text here which we need to apply. You can simply apply anything from here. Just click here. You will see preview if it is working for you. It will take some time, maybe in my case, as you can see. So just click on set wallpaper. It's done, and here you will be prompted to use this wallpaper as your home screen or home screen and lock screen. In my case, I'm going to choose both, and now it's done. And as I previously told you, this wallpaper changes with the time. So in my case, it's at night, and this has the night view. So let me show you once again, like this. Sometimes it applies on the lock screen, sometimes it does not apply on the lock screen. And as I told you previous time when I started the video, that was applied on the lock screen, but this time it's not applied on the lock screen. But that's not the big case. You can try it directly, and you can apply any other wallpaper. It will definitely work, and you can apply any other wallpaper options. There are a lot of options are available. This wallpaper looks really nice and always change according to the time. This is a really good kind of advantage of this wallpaper. You can try out this wallpaper. The link for all the required files is in the description. You can go and give it a try. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.